welcomes you at Ghare Science Academy, Vidyanagar, Karad. Interactive audio-visual lecture series of physics, chemistry, maths and biology subject for 11 and 12 science students. If you like our lecture series, then please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Welcome in Ghare Science Academy. Here we discuss about point defect in crystals. In previous lecture, we study about stoichiometric defect in crystal lattice. Today we study about second type of point defect. It is impurity defect. Impurity is added in crystalline solid. Impurity means other atoms known as foreign atoms which are differ from host atom. In impurity defect, some of the host atoms are replaced by foreign atoms, and there are main two types of impurity defect, that are substitutional impurity defect and second one is the interstitial impurity defect. Here first we study about substitutional impurity defect. We know that substitution means displacement of one atom by another atom, and such type of defect is substitutional impurity defect, where some of the host atoms are replaced or displaced by another foreign atom. In substitutional impurity defect, foreign atoms occupies lattice sites instead of host atoms. For example, solid solution. Solid solutions means alloys. Alloys are mixture of two or more metals or metals with non-metal. For example, brass. Brass is alloy of copper and zinc. And in brass alloy, some of the copper atoms are displaced by zinc atom. Therefore, it is substitutional impurity defect. Vacancy through aliovalent impurity also causes substitutional impurity defect. Aliovalent ion means ion that have oxidation state different from host ion is called aliovalent ion. So when host ions are replaced by aliovalent another foreign ion, then vacancy is also created in crystal lattice and it is known as vacancy through aliovalent ion. For example, during crystallization of NaCl, which consists Na plus and Cl minus ions, if some amount of strontium chloride, that means SrCl2, is added, then during crystallization, two sodium ions are replaced by one strontium ion, because one sodium ion acquires one positive charge while one strontium ion acquires two positive charges. Therefore, two sodium ions are replaced by one strontium ion to maintain इलेक्ट्रिक न्यूट्रॅलिटी. म्हणजे इथे चार्जेस मेंटेन केले. टू पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज टू सोडियम आयनचे निघून गेले म्हणून टू पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज असणारा स्ट्रॉन्शियम आयन इकडे ॲड केला. But only one strontium ion is added and therefore vacancy is created here, and therefore it is known as vacancy by addition of aliovalent impurity. Now we discuss second type of impurity defect and it is interstitial impurity defect. We discussed previous about the interstitial space, which are empty space between the atoms in crystalline solids. In interstitial impurity defect, impurity atoms occupies the interstitial space and host atoms occupies lattice sites. For example, steel. In steel, iron atoms occupies lattice sites, while carbon atoms occupies interstitial space, and therefore it is known as interstitial impurity defect. Now we discuss about third type of point defect. It is non-stoichiometric defect. It is arises when a ratio of one kind of atom to another kind of atom or ratio of cation to anion is differ from that indicated in chemical formula. That means stoichiometry of compound changes, then it is called non-stoichiometric defect. There are two types of non-stoichiometric defect, that are metal deficiency defect and metal excess defect. Here we discuss about first type of non-stoichiometric defect. It is metal deficiency defect. This type of defect is possible in compounds of metal where metal shows variable oxidation state. That means one metal shows more than one oxidation state. In some crystals, positive metals ions are missing from their original lattice sites. Therefore, extra negative charges are formed because पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज आयन्स आर मिसिंग. म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज कमी झाला याचा अर्थ तिथे एक्स्ट्रा निगेटिव्ह चार्ज झाला. अँड दॅट एक्स्ट्रा निगेटिव्ह चार्जेस आर बॅलन्स्ड बाय पॉझिटिव्ह मेटल आयन ऑफ द सेम मेटल विथ हायर ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट. म्हणजे त्याच मेटलचा हायर ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट असणारा अदर आयन ते चार्जेस बॅलन्स करतो. बट ॲट दॅट टाइम vacancies are created. For example, in iron oxide, formula of pure iron oxide is FeO, where oxidation state of iron is +2. From FeO lattice, some of the Fe+2 ions are missing. If that Fe+2 ions are missing, then extra negative charges are formed in crystal lattice and they are further balanced by addition of Fe+3 ions. That means metal ion of same metal with higher oxidation state. But when 3 Fe+2 ions are missing from their lattice site, there are +2 charge on one Fe ion. 3 Fe+2 ions are missing. That means positive 6 charges are missing. They are balanced by addition of 2 Fe+3 ion. 2 Fe+3 ion वरती असणारा चार्ज +6 असेल. So 3 Fe+2 ions are replaced by 2 Fe+3 ions to maintain electric neutrality. But at that time there is vacancy created. So metal iron is less than oxygen and therefore it is metal deficiency defect and its formula becomes Fe0.95O. Therefore, it becomes non-stoichiometric. Now we discuss second type of non-stoichiometric defect and it is metal excess defect. It can arise by two different ways, in which first is a neutral atom or extra positive ion occupies interstitial space. Here in first diagram, extra zinc atom occupies interstitial space in ZnO crystal lattice. So extra zinc atom, that means extra metal occupies interstitial space and therefore it arises metal excess defect. In second type, it is also crystal of zinc oxide, but when zinc oxide is heated, zinc oxide is colorless white solid. When it is heated, then it becomes yellow, because zinc oxide on heating gives Zn plus 2 plus half O2 plus 2 electrons. These extra Zn plus 2 ions and electrons trapped into interstitial space in crystal lattice of ZnO. Therefore, electrical neutrality is maintained, but extra positive ions are tapped into the interstitial space, and therefore metal excess defect arises here. In these both cases, when zinc atom or Zn plus 2 ion trapped into interstitial space, formula of ZnO becomes Zn1 plus XO. That means it becomes non-stoichiometric. This metal excess defect is also arises by anion vacancies or color, or they are also known as F centers. In this type, anion missing from its regular site and creates vacancy, and this vacancy is occupied by electron to maintain electric neutrality, and it is known as F centers, and these compounds becomes colored due to these extra electrons, means F centers. When these anionic sites are occupied by electrons, then it is known as F centers, where F means Farben-Center. It is German word meaning color center. These F centers are imparts color to colorless crystals. For example, NaCl is colorless crystal, but when it is heated in atmosphere of sodium vapors, then sodium atoms are deposited on the surface. Therefore, Cl minus ions diffuses and they are also deposited on the surface, and therefore vacancies of Cl minus ions are created, and which are further occupied by free electrons. They forms F centers, and that F center gives color to the NaCl crystal, and it becomes yellow due to formation of F centers.
Remember,